Hey guys, my name is Ali Al-Zaroufi. I run a digital marketing agency, Profit Upturn. We help businesses upturn their profits. You know what I mean? So, man, I just wanted to get on here and give a testimonial for all of the value Chad and Angel have provided. Man, just to tell you where I was coming from before I met Chad and Angel, I was struggling with trying to find clients. I was struggling with client retention for those clients that I did have. And then I was struggling with fulfillment. I was struggling with micromanaging everything. Man, I was struggling with a lot, okay? And working with Chad and Angel has really helped me set up the foundations of having a business rather than running operations like a freelancer, stuff like that. So as an official business owner, someone with authority and how to get more clients, keeping that retention, building long-term relationships and value, sales, communication, man, and from using Dash Elite, I've already have so many results from this short period of time. Okay, I have improved in my sales. I have improved in my communication. I'm getting clients consistently, outbound and inbound clients calling me, and I have a fulfillment process with DashClicks.com where I can just do my fulfillment with them, which is the hardest part, to be honest, and then just learning how to scale my business properly. And honestly, I would recommend Dash Elite to any marketing agency, whether you're starting from scratch, you're starting from zero, or whether you already have an established business, maybe 6 figures, and you're trying to get to 7 figures, or whatever that may be. I feel like this program could help anyone. Dash Elite is honestly killing it. They're probably the #1 platform out there, so I would highly recommend.